Hello everyone. In this episode we are going to start the development of the player data management as well as check out two important event listeners which are player join and quick listener. So let's start by creating a new class called join listener which will implement the listener class. These two listeners are quite important as they are called once player joins and once player leaves the server. So we can get and set the join and leave message on both of these listeners, while in the next episode we are also going to save and load player data using them. As we already showcased in a previous episode, we can use the string.format method and use the percentage %s to replace automatically the player name to the corresponding index of the string. For simplicity, we are going to add both of these listeners in the same class. It is recommended though in complex projects to use multiple classes for better organization, readability and debugging. Now let's create a class where we can store data variables. In this episode we'll use the UID of the player to recognize to whom does the data belong to and the balance of the user. However, we could also add statistics like kills, deaths and more. Let's write our first constructor of this class, and its parameters are going to be the UID of the player as the first one and the balance as the second one. Basically, we want to create constructors to call the class later on and instantiate it to our needs. As you can already see, we created more than one constructor, and that's basically what overload is. Overloading in Java also applies to methods. Well, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And until next time, take care and see you soon.